Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot change country or region issue on Apple ID or App Store. So guys, if you are trying to change the country or region on your Apple ID or App Store, but you're facing this issue and you are unable to change country or region, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on screen time, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here turn off the toggle for content privacy restrictions and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to your profile and then go to subscriptions and wait here for some seconds and check if there is any unpaid subscription on your App Store or your Apple ID. Then you have to simply pay for it, and then you have to simply make it sure that there is no unpaid subscription on your Apple ID from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to general settings and then you have to scroll it below and tap on language and region, and then tap on region and try to change the country region from here. And if it doesn't work, then go back, then go to your profile and then go to media and purchases, tap on view account, and from here you have to simply tap on country or region from here. Here it is. And now try to change your country or region on your Apple ID from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again, and then try to change the country region on your Apple ID again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.